pai te Netipōro, kia māua nā te mea kia hauara tō te inana. Kia pāke te catching a pōro, kia fit.
Me, ko te take nā te mea, I te waka tāpuro koe ka mahi I te mahitahi, ka mahitahi me o hoa tāpuro.
So we've got 42 netball players. We've got 5 Tamariki netball teams. They range from the age of 5 years old to 17. The Tamariki have been playing at AMI, Auckland Netball Centre, for the past 5 years. And we've had a range of from 5 teams through to 8 netball teams playing. They play on Tuesday nights, Thursday nights, and Saturdays. We've actually got 120 tamariki, 70% from Ngāti Whātua Rake, which is really important to highlight because we're servicing the need of our community. Yeah, we have parents and whānau coaching, managing and refereeing the netball games, which has been really awesome. But we've also been inclusive of the community, the wider community, so that we include all the friends that they go to school with, because they're a part of our whānau too. Sporting has definitely been mainly about whanaungatanga. Our tamariki are living with our whānau. They're living next door to each other. Then they go to school with each other. Then they play sports together, which has been really good. I'm probably reliving the steps that my parents did for us. They used to be our coaches and managers and get us to and from the sports games, take us away for sports trips, field trips. So I guess, without a second thought in my mind, I'm just doing what I know, to do, and we want to see the tamariki succeed.
He pā ki te tāpuro me o whanaunga nā te mea I tāna koe ki te prakate ki tō rātou tā nā te mea he tata o rātou whare ki tō, me I tāna ki te kōrero me ramo mō mea.
Ai. E mehe mea kāre koe, mehe mea ko tētai tangata kāre koe te momo kata ki te whakawhanaunga.
I guess it's around supporting our tamariki to be the best that they can be. So, really reaching the pinnacle or the top of rangitoto or the top of maungakeke in regards to their aspirations for sports and netball.